My name's Robert Krasnick. I'm from Detroit, Michigan. I'm a physician and I practice physical medicine and rehabilitation. And I do a lot of similar types of treatments that Dr. Baumgartner does. And I'm here today to get my right shoulder worked on. My right shoulder has been causing me problems for a number of years, and it started probably 2-3 years ago after I had a fall off of a bicycle. I do a lot of cycling, road biking, and fell hard on my right arm, kind of jammed my shoulder, and like anybody else thought it would get better over time, which it didn't. I went through some physical therapy, self-prescribed of course, and also I had somebody inject the shoulder with prolotherapy, and it was better, but it was never back to normal. It was never great. I couldn't work out like I wanted to. I work out a lot, so I couldn't lift weights well, I couldn't do chin-ups, push-ups, I couldn't play tennis like I wanted to. So it was really kind of inhibiting all the activities I like to do. So I came to see Dr. Baumgartner for it. We decided on proceeding with platelet-rich plasma injections to the shoulder, and I had that done, and I would say probably about 3 to 4 months afterwards, the switch turned off, so to speak, meaning that all of a sudden my shoulder felt normal. I was doing everything I wanted to do. I was back to doing chin-ups, pull-ups, playing tennis. So all those things that I couldn't do or I had pain with before I could do. And so it was, outstanding treatment. I would say I recovered 100% at that time. And thankful for Dr. Baumgartner.